Welcome students to learn the topic of structure of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid contains carboxyl group COOH group. COOH group represent as a planar arrangement of atoms. In carboxyl group, the center carbon atom and both oxygen atom, these three are in sp2 hybridization. Carbon atom ground state electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0. This atom gained some energy and promoted into higher energy level. So in excited state, electronic configuration of carbon atom is 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. In the excited state carbon atom, one 2s orbital and two 2p orbital involve sp2 hybridization to give 3 sp2 hybridized orbital and one unhybridized 2b orbital. One sp2 hybridized orbitals of the carboxyl carbon atom overlap with one sp2 hybridized orbital of double bond oxygen atom and another one sp2 hybridized orbitals of the carboxyl carbon overlap with one sp2 hybridized orbital of oxygen atom of the hydroxyl group and another one sp2 hybridized orbital of carboxyl carbon overlap with s orbital of hydrogen atom or sp2 hybridized orbital of carbon atom of the alkyl group. So it form 3 sigma bonds. Already we know carbon atom involve sp2 hybridization. So it produce 3 sp2 hybridized orbital and one unhybridized 2p orbital. Like carbon atom, oxygen atom also involve sp2 hybridization to give sp2 hybridized orbital and unhybridized 2p orbital. This unhybridized p orbital is perpendicular to the sigma bonding skeleton. All these 3p orbital being parallel overlap to form pi bond. Pi bond is partially delocalized between carbon and oxygen atom on one side and carbon and oxygen of the OH group on the other side. Carboxylic acid group COOH may be represented as a resonance hybrid of these two canonical structures. These different canonical structures arises due to delocalization of lone pair of electrons of oxygen atom in the hydroxyl group. Due to this possible resonance structure of carboxyl group, carboxylic carbon is less electrophilic nature than carbonyl carbon. Carbonyl carbon example aldehydes and ketone. So due to delocalization of lone pair of electrons from the oxygen atom in hydroxyl group, the carboxylic acid has possible resonance structure. Hence, carboxyl carbon is less electrophilic nature than carbonyl carbon. Structure of carboxylic acid over. Next topic, methods of preparation of carboxylic acids. First preparation from primary alcohols and aldehydes. Primary alcohols and aldehydes easily oxidize to the corresponding carboxylic acids with oxidizing agents such as potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate, etc. Potassium dichromate oxidizing agent is used when the oxidation reaction is proceed in acid medium, but potassium permanganate oxidizing agent is used when the reactions proceed both acid and alkaline medium. See the general equation. RCH2OH primary alcohol gives in presence of oxidizing agent K2Cr2O7 in acid medium. It oxidizes into aldehyde or CHO. Aldehyde further oxidized to give corresponding acid. For example, ethyl alcohol CH3CH2OH oxidized to give acetaldehyde CH3CHO. Acetaldehyde further oxidized to give acetic acid CH3COOH. Second preparation from acid hydrolysis of ester. Esters undergoes hydrolysis in presence of dilute mineral acids. It produces corresponding carboxylic acid. For example, ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate undergoes hydrolysis in presence of mineral acid to give acetic acid and ethyl alcohol. Third preparation of carboxylic acid from nitriles. Nitriles nothing but functional group CN. Nitriles yield carboxylic acid when subjected to hydrolysis in presence of acid or base. Next, preparation from Grignard reagent. Generally, Grignard reagent write in the form of RMgX. Grignard reagent react with carbon dioxide in presence of triether to give corresponding salt of carboxylic acids. This salt undergoes acid hydrolysis to give carboxylic acid. For example, N-propyl bromide CH3CH2 CH2Br combined with magnesium metal to give Grignard reagent CH3CH2 CH2 MgBr. N-propyl magnesium bromide react with carbon dioxide and followed by acid hydrolysis to give butyric acid CH3 CH2 CH2 COOH. End of the carboxylic acid, carbon atom 1 is greater than Grignard reagent. Next, carboxylic acid prepared from acid chloride RCOCl. Acid chloride when hydrolyzed with water to give carboxylic acid, or acid chloride RCOCl react with base OH minus to give carboxylic acid RCOOH. For example, acetyl chloride CH3COCl react with water H2O to give acetic acid CH3COOH plus HCl. So, hydrolysis of acetyl chloride to give acetic acid. Carboxylic acid also prepared from hydrolysis of acid anhydride. For example, acetic anhydride CH3COOCOCH3 react with water H2O to give 2 molecule of acetic acid CH3COOH. Like acetic anhydride, benzoic anhydride C6H5 COOCOC6H5 undergoes hydrolysis to give 2 molecules of benzoic acid C6H5COOH. And also aromatic carboxylic acids can be prepared by vigorous oxidation of alkyl benzene like toluene with chromic acid or acidic or alkaline potassium permanganate. At that time, the entire side chain is oxidized to carboxylic acid group COOH group. See the equation. Toluene C6H5CH3 undergoes oxidation in presence of alkaline potassium permanganate KMNO4 to give benzoic acid C6H5COOH. Are you clear, students? The above methods are some important methods for preparation of carboxylic acids. Next, we will see the topic physical properties of carboxylic acids. Thank you.